If you have really bad anxiety and you want to beat it, stop scrolling because this is where you go wrong. Firstly, I want to say congratulations to most of you because a lot of you are consuming stuff that can help your mental health. You're watching TikToks, YouTube videos, right? You're getting that diet in place, right? You're starting to exercise, you're doing mindfulness, you're journaling, you're working on the way that you think, you're challenging your negative thoughts. What you have accomplished so far, which is great, is the orientation section of anxiety recovery. You learned the blueprint, right? You learned the tools, the steps, the tips, the tricks. Just like if you were at another job, you did your paperwork, you learned the regulations, the rules of the job description. But the part that so many people fail at is the on-the-job training, OJT. So many of you, and just like myself, whenever I was struggling with anxiety, I wanted the orientation section, right? Learning the tips and tricks and all this stuff and getting a routine established to take away 95% of my anxiety so then I could actually go out on the job and perform. When it comes to recovery from anxiety, you need experience. You need on-the-job training. You need to actually be put into these situations. And by situations, what aggravates your anxiety the most? What irritates it the most? What things are you trying to do that you can't do anymore because of your anxiety? Driving, going to work, being in social settings, whatever it is, standing in a long line, right? You have to take that foundation, the orientation, and put it into practice. Go into these situations and actually break down the associations that you have with the workplace and anxiety, driving and anxiety. This is where you actually have to practice responding the way that you practice at home to your anxiety symptoms. You've done your part with educating yourself and bringing your awareness up, and you've learned all these tips and tricks and advice and strategies and tools to help you with your anxiety, but you are reluctant to actually go out there and put them into practice and to actually develop that trust with your subconscious that the things that you're most afraid of are safe environments, safe situations. And a newsflash to you guys, you actually need your symptoms to come up and to be irritated to actually show your subconscious that they are not necessary in the first place. So stop being like I was for years, wanting my routine and the tools that I was developing at home to just instantly translate and make everything perfect when I go out for my exposure. Doesn't work that way. Follow for more, heart this, and share this with somebody that needs to hear it. And also go to my bio. I got an amazing course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp, that takes you step by step through the process I went through to actually recover from generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and health anxiety.